welcome traders to our post-week market review. So jumping straight into things here where the market opens, which was this candlestick here. As you can see, the start of the market was slightly bearish. We started to consolidate between these 2 points of interest here, with the top side resistance at 3,340 and our bottom side support of around 3,330. As we spoke about in our start of week and midweek technical analysis videos, we spoke about price breaking through this bottom side support of 3,330. Price then continued bearish all the way down to around 3,300 flat. And price sort of staggered up till we then saw on the Wednesday some more bearish momentum driving price down, with the final level of support at around 3,270, which is around this area here. As you can see, since then, price has been on the in a bullish fashion. It has been moving in a bullish form. We've seen buyers start to take control of the market with the first initial push up to 3,313, which is sort of the first support of this staggered bull run, if you will. As you can see from there, price then continued on bearish, finding support at the level of 3,290, testing it a few times, and then price continued on bullish. This big candlestick that you see here was with the help of the economic news event, the non-farm payroll, the NFP, as we have obviously listed and spoke about in our public channel. As you can see, it injected a huge amount of bullish volume into the market, resulting in price driving up completely. As you can see, where the market has finished at 3,362 in comparison to where the market opened up at 3,338, we are in fact roughly 300 pips in sort of the plus. So we are up for gold this week thus far. So looking at this chart, what does it tell us? So it tells us that obviously since this high was created here at around 3,430, price continued bearish, and we have been looking closer and closer, looking for different confirmations, looking for candlestick structure, and trying to understand the price action and seeing if we can see at some point a bullish flip. And by the looks of it, we are seeing a bullish flip. So with the help of that non-farm payroll event injecting a huge amount of bullish volume into the gold market, you can see that price ended up clearing this entire sort of all of this information here until we got to this level here, which was the first sort of rejection side. As you can see, price started to fizzle out as the volume dropped throughout the day, and then as we started to pick up when everyone was getting their last little orders in before the weekend, before the market closed, you can see that we did have another bullish push. So for this bullish momentum to continue, which is a lot more likely than a bearish flip, what we're going to be expecting and what we're going to be looking for is that next level of around 3,375. Why do I say this point of interest? Well, this is this area here, which we can see was a previous lower high after obviously we created that lower low there. So that would be the next level that we're looking for, and then the next level after that will be the level of 3,400 roughly, just around this level here. And why do I say that? Is the same, it was the last higher high before we then saw that step up to 3,430, and before obviously then we saw that bearish momentum. So that's the confirmations that we're going to be looking for if we do see a bullish, if we are going to see this bullish momentum continue. So we're going to be targeting and looking at around 3,370 to 3,380. If we see price start to stagger at this level and start testing it as a resistance, we're then going to expect that price may retrace somewhere to around the 3,340 level. Obviously, if we do get a clean break above this level, a significant break would be above the level of 3,380. If we do see that level, then we're looking for price to go to trade at 3,400 and above. So with that being said, that's going to be our post-week market review. In conclusion, the market has been bearish this week thus far until obviously the Friday. We was creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and then we obviously created our first higher low here, which was sort of the build up for this bullish momentum here. And as you can see, we have seen a complete flip. So going into next week, we're definitely going to expect this current price action to continue. We might see some lower time frame retracements. However, the higher time frame, the hour one, we are going to expect price to continue at least to that 3,375 area. So that's going to be our post-week market review. I hope you have all enjoyed, and I will catch you tomorrow for our start of week technical analysis write-up. Peace.